What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm starting my day up here at our other shop. This is about, I don't know, a half hour or so north of our main shop. And the reason I am here is because Rodrigo is on his way up and we have to set this plow up on one of our trucks. He is bringing the truck up here. That truck is used for water towers that this village has, and tomorrow there might be a snowstorm. So this village is calling for 2 to 4 inches mixed with rain. Down at our main shop, they're calling from anywhere from a dusting to 3 inches. So we don't really know what's gonna happen, but we have to get this set up. All the other trucks are ready to go. These guys who work here will be coming up today and running them and just making sure there are no issues before the storm comes tomorrow. But this plow, we have to throw on the mason dump, and we also add a bar to the bottom here, right under the blade, because the water towers that this village has are all dirt roads, and if you just run up them with the plow, you're just gonna dig into the dirt. So the bar on the bottom basically keeps the cutting edge off the ground a little bit, and you'll leave a little bit of snow underneath, but you don't dig anything up and you don't get stuck. All right, guys, so this truck is all set up. We got this bar on there, so it just goes through these holes. We got pins and some washers underneath to keep it down. As you can see here, let me spin that sideways. It keeps the blade about 1/2 inch off the ground. That way you're not digging all the gravel up and everything, because none of the water towers are paved. So that solves that issue. But we are heading down to our main shop now. All right, guys, so we are down here and we have sander in the back of this truck, plow on it. We are cleaning up some of the wiring on here, putting new lights in and stuff like that. Rodrigo is getting a compressor ready because we have to go to the mall and add some air into our loader tires. But right now, I'm hopping in our F350 here, and I am going to grab a pallet of calcium from Home Depot. I'm gonna throw it in the bed there, and then you have to throw this sander in here and put the plow on here. We are getting calcium because we do sidewalks at a cemetery, and obviously you need calcium for that. So I have to go get that. Hopefully Home Depot can load it for me pretty quick. A lot of the time you go to Home Depot and you wait there for a half hour and it's just a pain in the ass. But I have to go get that, and then we have to come back and make sure all of our trucks are ready. So let me run and grab that, and I will see you guys when I am back here.
Todo el control, muñeco. Todo el control.
Alright guys, so I got this truck parked outside, all set up, ready to go. We got this truck ready to go, we got the tractor ready to go, we got all these trucks down here ready to go. Our other dump truck, the Chevy that we had right here, is ready to go. Got the sander in there. This one has a V-plow on it. So Rodrigo's truck does not have a front plow on it. We are currently waiting on a cutting edge for that, and this truck is ready to go. So once we get a cutting edge for this truck, we'll be able to throw the plow on, but everything else is pretty much ready to go. Like UPS working on a Saturday. It is nice to work on Saturdays here because, as you can tell, it's very quiet. There is nobody else here working, and that is not normal. Usually when we're working and we're trying to move trucks and stuff, there's people going a million miles per hour up the parking lot. But one thing we have is outlets on the side of our building here. I have to grab the rest of the extension cords. Actually, that's not even an extension cord, that's just, well, technically it's an extension cord, but I have to grab the ones from inside and plug all these trucks in right now. That way, when the snow comes, if it does come, or whatever happens, the trucks will start up for us, no issues. So let me go grab those and then we'll get everything plugged in. All right, so we got one plugged in, two plugged in. This one does not get plugged in. 3 plugged in, 4 plugged in, and 5 plugged in. This truck does not get plugged in either. We're not going to be using it. So through that little extension cord thing down there, got the other ones plugged in here. We have a knife switch inside that will turn the power on for that before we leave. But we parked this loader inside the salt bin. That way it's not freezing cold. We will shut that door, turn the lights off. All done. And then back here, we have our sub panel, outside block heaters for trucks. So that's where the switch is. To turn the power on, Rodrigo is finishing up the lights on the back of this truck. But I think that pretty much wraps it up for this one. We'll see what happens. Tomorrow might be the first storm of the year if it actually snows. So if it's just a salting event, I may or may not get called in. We will see, because I live an hour north of here. So there are guys that are much closer. If it's just a salting event, they will come in and handle it. But you guys will know by the next video that you see after this one. So if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.